Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I don't think I did a video like this before, but I was going to reorganize my stickers plus show you a sneak peek for our May monthly subscription. So if you don't want to see it, then click out now and then come back at a later date. But I wanted to do a sneak peek because I'm super excited about this month's mystery item and I can't wait to use it. And also I wanted to give those of you a chance who are not part of our monthly subscriptions to subscribe this month if you like this mystery item. So without further ado, the mystery item for May is a new sticker album. The sticker album we have in our shop right now is actually this one, which is smaller, as you can see. And this one is a bestseller. It's probably one of the best-selling products in our shop. It sells out every time we restock. And this is the 2.0 version. So this one holds our stickers, like our quarter sheet stickers, perfectly. And we just designed this one, which holds quarter stickers this way, as well as our half sheet stickers, like our sticker kits. So let me show you guys. I'm trying to hold this up a bit so you don't see the glare. Like these ones, it fits it perfectly. And I know some of you have been wanting us to design this type of sticker album. I personally have been wanting to have this kind of sticker album, and it's finally here. So it's the same kind of very minimal concept as our original sticker albums. And what I really like about our original sticker albums, which we kept in the bigger version, is how thin and compact it is. I really like having a thinner sticker album. So this is my Delphonics planner pouch, and I made sure that our sticker album fits perfectly inside the planner pouch. So I really love that a lot because I use this pouch so much. It sits on my desk. It has all my essentials, and our sticker album fits perfectly inside. So before I start organizing these stickers in here, I wanted to go over it a little bit with you guys. So right now it's uncovered. I like my sticker albums uncovered because I think it's really cute to see the stickers through the cover, but we are going to have a design on it, and that part will remain a surprise. So I'm just sharing the uncovered version. Later on, if we restock these for the main shop, you'll be able to have the option to have it uncovered as well. So it just has that same thick plastic sturdy cover, like a frosted. These pockets are double-sided, so there's an opening on the front and there's an opening on the back, which I really like. Same thing for the quarter sheet pockets in the back and pockets in the front. And you can see these are crystal clear pockets, so you can see your stickers really well. So it could hold plenty of stickers while remaining nice and compact. So I wanted to quickly just transfer my stickers from this sticker album to the sticker album, and I thought that I would film it just so you guys can see how it all looks. So here I have my most used stickers. Actually, some of them are my most used stickers and some of them are just stickers that I keep on hand in case I want to use them. And then in the back I have some stickers from other shops I don't use very often, but I want to use more in my memory keeping because they're so pretty. I thought I would save those for my memory keeping books. What I'll start off with is my transparent dots. I always use ecru, taupe, gray, black, and then these circle ones. So I'll put those in front. So those are definitely my most used stickers. So I'll put those right in front. And then in the back, I'm going to stick them kind of like in this way, so when I turn the pages, all my stickers are facing the same direction. And then I guess I'll put this here. That'll still go well with my next set of stickers, which are my bigger shape transparent stickers. So I have circles and dewdrops. And so I think I'm gonna skip this pocket because I like to keep things all together. Sorry if there's a lot of glare. Kind of can't help it with this sticker album. And then next are my transparent strips. And then I have these holiday circle icons. I haven't been using these as much. Sometimes I use the white ones from our sticker kit. So I think I'm going to keep these ones in my storage stickers. And let me see, do I want to put icons? Lately, I've been really using doodles more. So I'm going to keep these in my storage sticker binder, I guess we'll call, but I do want to put these in because I love these little symbols on our transparent dots. I guess I'll put these here. And then my doodles. I have tons of doodles and I have a lot of pages left, but I'm going to just take out my most used doodles, which are mailers. I don't really use this as much because my husband does the laundry for us, so we split up our chores and he's in charge of laundry, but I just love them so much, so I keep them on hand. Carts, that's a maybe. I'm not using clear right now. I do have that, but I don't want a half sheet. And here's all clear, some more half sheets. I am using cakes, TVs. This is what I use for my videos, for the shop, for blogging. I do want to keep these. This is for dates, Happy Mail, travel. I don't need like on an everyday basis, so I'll keep that to the side. This one I'll keep to the side. I don't use it as much right now. That one to the side. Oh, I use my day off stickers and balloons for sure. So my bows, I guess all I have is this right now. I'll have to get a full sheet of that, but let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'll keep these out because I want to keep it even 12. Are any of you guys so particular like that? Let's see how many pages I have left. So this would be 4. So I'd really only take up 3 pages. Not bad. So I like to put it in order of most used. So bows, mail for sure, TV kind of, and then social media or shop stuff, dates. So this is like with personal. So I think I'm going to put these exclamation marks with the bow. Seems like they go well together. And then I'll do personal first. So the mail together. So I like to use the mailer doodles for Happy Mail and the box doodles for business supply mail stuff. And then I'll do my birthdays, dates, off, and celebrations. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do day off, and I'll put these together at the bottom. So cakes for birthday and balloons for any other kind of celebration. That's what I've been doing lately because I just love these mini cakes so much. And then this section, oh, that fits so perfectly, will be for my business stuff, basically like content. So these are for videos. This is for the blog. I use this one for reels and TV shows. And this one for new releases. It's like a little shop. I love these. This is like one of my most favorite doodles. I think those are all the doodles I'm going to keep in here. And then these doodles I'm going to keep in my storage album. These are super cute pink circle doodle stickers, which I haven't been using as much because I've been sticking with the white ones for now. I also have these ones, which are some of my favorite stickers, these icon boxes, but I haven't been using them as much because I don't have all the icons I need. So let me think about that. Headers. I get most of my headers off of the sticker kit, so I don't even know if I need these except maybe for content. Let me think about these two. And then my next stickers are these, which I do use a lot. These are in our sticker kit as well, but I always need more. And then these are removable stickers, which is great for pre-planning because you can move things around. Let me see. I like to keep these all together. Okay. So these ones back here, date dots. Actually, I might need date dots now that I have an undated planner coming. So I'm going to keep these clear ones in here, and I'll use white. I need some month stickers for my undated. These I use for my tab, so I don't need those. These are credit card skins, so I don't need that. I do need these checklists. So let's see how I'll organize that. So I have these two, I have this, and this. So I think these two go together, these two go together, and this is a random by itself. Functional first, actually these ones. These calendar type stickers, the headers, and then I have a little bit of space to grow. Then here I'm gonna put these stickers. So usually I keep it in this little pocket that I keep in my planner pouch, and so I always keep the current month sticker kit on hand, and then my calendar labels, and I have a bunch of those because I use them every single week. And then I have my hand lettering months, and then I have this Once More with Love sticker sheet, which I like using for memory keeping. I think I'm going to put this aside for now. So sheet A, sheet B, sheet C, sheet D, sheet E, and the photo boxes I don't use as much because I use so much from the main sticker kit. I'm going to put both of these in one pocket since these are kind of like extras in case I need more stickers. And then behind that, I'll put my calendar labels. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I put them in one pocket? Oh, it fits nicely. I thought it was going to be tight having so many sheets, but it still fit really nicely. And then my hand lettering months. And then I have room to grow back here. All right, let's do a little flip through. I really love the way that looks. That's why I like uncovered. Super cute. So I'm gonna hold this kind of at an angle because of the glare. So I have my transparent stickers, the bigger ones, transparent strips, transparent symbols, all my doodles, which are my favorite to use right now, my removable labels for pre-planning, functional, calendar, and then some headers, an extra page, and then here's our half sheet stickers, my May sticker kit, and then my calendar labels and my hand lettering month stickers. So that's it. Like I said, in here I'll keep my main stickers that I use most often and keep it right in my planner pouch, and then I'll keep my extras in this sticker album in my planner bin. So I hope you guys love the sticker album as much as I do. I love it so, so much. I was so excited to get this, even just for my own personal use. So I hope you guys like it as well. These are coming out with our May stationery subs, and those ship the last week of May. Spots are open now. They will stay open until May 14th or until spots fill up. So current monthly subscribers, like if you subscribe in May, are guaranteed to get this sticker album, as well as first dibs for any overstock there might be. Through Sublove, you get them for a week at a discounted price before they go to the main shop. I'll put all the links and information in the description box below. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.